Have you ever looked at Chinese characters and wondered, what are these crazy looking boxes? And when you first study in Chinese, especially its writing, it can seem very daunting. There are so many strokes and so many components to it. To the unknowing eyes, Chinese characters may seem like a collection of lines and boxes, but they are not just random strokes. Each character can carry deep meaning. You just need to know how to interpret them. That is why today we're going to look at Chinese radicals, 部首, to learn about what Chinese radicals are and why they are important. So, what is a Chinese radical? Chinese radicals are usually made of various components, and a radical is the key component as it usually indicates its meaning or sometimes sound. Here are the reasons why it is important for you to learn. First, by learning Chinese radical, it will enable you to recognize characters faster. Second, it will be easier for you to tell or guess the meaning of a character. Third, there is only a finite amount of radicals. Also, the simple radicals are characters themselves. So learning radicals is not so much of a detour. In fact, it's a worthwhile investment of time. Let's give you some more examples. Think about Chinese characters like Lego blocks. They are built part by part. Usually one part represents the meaning and the other pronunciation. There are some basic characters that can stand alone, like 水 for water, 心 for heart, and 口 for mouth. Others are built from left to right, like the word 好 for good, which depicts a mother with her child, symbolizing goodness or happiness. 好. Some are built from top to down, like the word for 牙 for bud, 牙, which has a radical for grass at the top, and the word for teeth, 牙 at the bottom, which gives its pronunciation. And others are written with outside in, like the word for stuffy, 闷, which has a heart within a door, symbolizing a person feeling muggy and trapped behind closed doors. In fact, Chinese characters and radicals evolved from early pictograms that are found on oracle bone, which can be dated back to 1200 BCE. Here's an example of how some of the radicals evolved with time to the modern times. Take a look at 日 for sun, 山 for mountain, and 田 for field. Isn't it interesting? Now, are you ready to learn more Chinese radicals? Let's go!